Well, welcome to the allotment. This is plot 8 of my allotment. The allotment is located between Birmingham and Coventry in the UK. And the idea of the channel really is just to share some of the ideas and the things that I've done. Some things have worked, some things haven't. Um, because one thing on allotment is you're constantly learning. So what I plan to do is just do different videos on different things, and if you've got any comments or suggestions of things that you'd like to know or like to see, and I've done it, I'm more than welcome to show a video of how I've done it. And I'm not suggesting for any minute that I'm an expert on any of this. It's just stuff that I've learned over the time, and also mistakes I've made as well, because you will make mistakes on allotments. There's absolutely no doubt about it. So what I'll do for this video is just a quick welcome video to introduce the channel really. Just setting up the channel now. I've not got any technology like fancy camcorders. This is recorded off a mobile phone. I haven't even got a tripod yet, which hopefully I'll have one soon. Um, but the main thing is that the information that you'll see on this channel you'll find interesting, and I may get things wrong as well. I mean, you might disagree with me because I'm not an expert at this. I'm just sharing what I've learnt over the 4 years or maybe 5 years that I've had this allotment. When I first got the allotment, it was waist high in weeds, and it's hard to believe looking at it now, what you're looking at, that it was in that condition. So it's took an awful lot of work to get to this position. But as you can see now, it's fairly clear allotment. But as I'm going to do these videos, I'm going to give you some tips on how to keep it this way as well. So look out for future videos. If you want to subscribe to the channel, there'll be a subscribe button on the YouTube video, so a page. So please subscribe. And of course, if you've got any comments or questions that you want to ask, then put them in, and I'll try my very best to answer them. And if not, I'm sure there'll be other people that will have the answers to some of the questions. So I'll see you on my first video, which should hopefully be in a week or two's time, and we'll take it from there and see how it goes. All right, then. All the best. Bye.